Hello and welcome to English Tom YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful English to Urdu sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. Panka chala do. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Apna kaam karo. Do your work. Do your work. जल्दी आना. Come back soon. Come back soon. क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? Do you know? कभी मत भूलना. Never forget. Never forget. मुख्तात रहो. Be careful. Be careful. खुद जाओ. Go yourself. Go yourself. तैयार रहना. Be ready. Be ready. इससे पहले. Before that. Before that. इसे पकड़ो. Hold this. Hold this. वो फिर से कहो. Say that again. Say that again. उसे ढूंढो. Find her. Find her. बैठे रहो. Keep sitting. Keep sitting. So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.